It is evening.
Yeah, it is evening, but my side it is afternoon.
It is afternoon. Okay, no problem.
So how is your going on practice, bro, nowadays?
Yeah, my practice is going very well. No doubt about it.
Okay, okay, no complaint, no doubt. So, do you practice every single day?
Yeah, I practice every single day.
With whom do you practice?
Yeah, with video call, on video call, and on audio call as well. Audio, video both.
Do you have any friend to practice or not?
Sorry?
Do you have any friend to practice in English or not?
No, no. I did not
Don't have,
understand what you said actually.
do you have any partner to talk in English
Oh,
or no?
partner. So there are lots of partner. So in this group, Skype group.
Hmm. Except this group. Do you have?
Yeah, except this group I have, but not in physically. Okay, so only on phone call.
Okay, phone call. We can say, do you have a WhatsApp group or not?
Yeah, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp as well.
Okay. So are you using CV app, Just Talk, as fluency, Hi Guru or not?
No, I don't use that kind of application. Yeah, earlier I used to use application like CB, is fluency, but
Hmm.
now I have stopped.
Okay, so nowadays you are not using only you are using a Skype, right?
Yeah, only Skype and WhatsApp.
Okay, that's great. And how long have you been using a Skype? 1 year?
Ah, it has been long time, 4 5 months.
4 5 months. Okay,
Hmm.
that's great. So who told you about this app?
Yeah, about this app I did know, but I did not know that there are some English group. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, okay, great. So are you in outside?
Yeah, so currently I am in the river,
Okay, okay. You are beside the river, I think, right?
not beside in the river, in the river. It is the river actually, fully river.
Hmm.
Okay.
And there is no water in the into the river. There
So it
is
is
some.
summer. Okay, so it is summer season, so that's why it is low water. Okay, and that side is water. That side.
Okay, it is very low water. And
Yeah.
when comes summer season, no summer season. Now it is summer. So when comes the winter season, rainy season, then I think after that it is waterfall in that river.
Yeah, full of water, lots of water. So many, not so many. So lots of water.
So first of all, you tell me that you are living in a village area. So do you know how to swim in the river?
Yeah, very well. You can say master.
Okay, great. Also, I know how to swim. Okay. Because there is one pond in my village area. So
Yeah.
when I used to take bath, okay, so I used to swim. Okay, I used to swim. So I know very well.
Okay, so this time you can see the water. Earlier you were not able to see, so now
Mhm.
you can see the water. Okay, so here you can see. Here you can see, and this side as well. This side.
Okay. And what about fish?
Yeah, so now it is low water, so that's why not. So no big fish, only small fish.
Okay, so do you catch?
Sorry, catch.
Do you catch fish or not? Do you eat? Do you catch?
Yeah, I eat fish, but I don't catch. Okay, but my father is a farmer. My father catch every day in this river.
You don't eat. Are you vegetarian?
No, I eat fish,
Okay.
but I don't catch. My father catch.
Okay. You don't catch. That's why your father even catches. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay. So it is air blowing your side, and you are taking fresh air, fresh air. Hmm?
Yes, yes. It is fresh.
And you look like so a smile. You look like so happy. What is the reason behind that? Tell me something.
Yeah, because it is because it is evening time.
Mhm.
So that's why I have come out for practice English. That's why I am happy.
Okay, okay. So nowadays we can say you have left study, yeah, right? You are not studying nowadays, right?
Yeah, right now nowadays I am not studying.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So when you were in the college, so did you have any girlfriend or not? Tell me truth.
Truth. Yes. So first thing, I did not study in college. Okay. So I did not join in college.
Huh?
And second thing is, since childhood I have been single.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
No girlfriends
Okay.
since childhood.
Mm. No girlfriend, no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you don't have money, then you have problem.
Hmm. Right.
Okay, that's great. Your thinking is good, I can say. Okay.
My
You
thinking is good.
don't want to waste your time as well as you don't want to waste your money. Yes, right.
Right. Right.
Because
Yes. Yes.
girlfriends uh, will make you spend lots of money.
Yeah.
They will tell you that I want this, I want that, and after that you will have to purchase for her, right? You will be bothered sometimes,
Hmm.
and you will be cold at night.
Yeah. But that kind
Sometimes,
of girlfriend is not good.
yeah, sometimes you will be abused, you will be beaten. So it is so, it is not good, actually, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay,
But
so you are fully enjoying in your village.
yeah, I am enjoying here in my
And
village.
every day when you make video, and I have seen your many videos with the
Hmm.
different YouTubers. Okay,
Hmm.
so only make video. You come, you can say, mm, out of the village. You come out of the village, and you come, and after that you make video. So what is the
Yeah.
reason? You are not getting proper network in your village.
No, no. In village there is full network, so no network issue in my village. Okay. So
Mhm.
even though now I am in the river, okay, and now I am getting 5G network, and my network is full.
Okay.
So in
So
the village, in river, in all area, there is no network issue in my
you
area.
get we can say full network in the village area, as well as you get a full network, can say beside the river, in the river, right?
Yeah. Now I am in the river. Here you can see the water, water,
Mhm. There is a green
full
water,
water, full water.
Right, right. Even there is a fresh water,
Yeah, it is fresh water.
Okay, it is good. I like, I like, such a water.
Oh, so I
Mm.
am walking in the water.
Oh, that's great. When I go to my village area, so usually I take a bath in a pond and into the river.
Yeah, here you can see I am walking in the water.
Okay, great, great. You're enjoying. Okay, so are you
Yeah,
wearing a slipper?
no, no, half pant. It is half pant.
Apple, slipper. I'm asking you about slipper. Are you wearing a slipper, and put
Yeah.
up after putting off a slipper? Are you in
No,
pond?
no, no, no. I have put on. I have put on. Here you can see. Okay. So I saw you. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
okay.
I,
Here I saw you. My slipper. Here is my slipper.
you are
Okay.
showing me your slipper as a girl. That you are telling me, then I will beat you.
Okay.
With you. Yeah, if you can say, can if you cheat with me, then I will beat you. Hmm.
Hmm. Right,
Okay.
right.
It- To tell me something, what did you do entire day today?
Yeah, I entered. I learned some vocabulary. I read. I write. Or I wrote something,
Okay. Hmm.
and I used my computer. Many things I did.
Okay. So you had abundance work and you completed all work.
Not so today. I did not complete, but by the night, or I will complete.
Okay. And what is remaining? What is remaining your work? So you will complete your work at night time.
Yeah, yeah.
Who will you can say who makes good food, cook food for you? Who for
Who
you?
cook food?
Who cook food
Oh,
for you?
oh, my mom.
So still you are saying so haven't you decided to get married?
Till now, I have not decided, but let's say what will happen in the future.
Hey, I am not single. I am not single. I am married person. So
Oh,
you should learn something from me. Okay.
yeah.
So you should also get married.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I don't know will I get married or not. I am not sure.
Mhm. But this year, in 25 is going on. Okay.
Hmm.
So you should get married in 2025. In
Yeah,
2025.
definitely. No, not definitely, not definitely, because
How
I
old
am
are you now?
because I have no idea about my marriage. So will I get married? Will I get married or not? I have no idea about this. Okay. So about my marriage, no idea, no plan.
Your age might be 25.
Right, right. I am 25 years old.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Because when you get married, after getting married, when your wife will come in your home, at your home, after that, you will think, how to earn money, from where should I earn money, from where, uh, bring money. Okay. So you will think lots of things after getting married.
You're right, right. Absolutely right. But
Now
I,
you responsibility, na? But after getting married, you might have responsibility.
hmm,
Hmm.
not my responsibility, full responsibility.
Yeah, full responsibility.
Yeah, lots of pressure, only
Hmm.
pressure.
You are understanding everything. That's why you are not getting married. You know very well. If I get married, okay, after that my wife will come and I will be bothered. Huh?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
So now I am sitting on the stone, not on the stone, it is rock.
Okay, okay. You are sitting on the stone.
Rock, rock.
Rock. I don't know rock.
It is chattan, it is chattan.
Okay, chant. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Mm-hmm.
patthar ka chattan.
I can say, you fully, you are fully enjoying. You are fully enjoying your life.
Yeah, so so at this age, we need to enjoy.
Right. And I like, such kind of, such a nice place.
Oh,
Very
yeah,
amazing.
you should.
And your behind, it is village. There is a village.
Yeah, it
Your
is.
behind.
So there is a village. Yeah, yeah, behind me.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so behind me, so there is a big forest. Okay, so after
Okay,
forest, so there is a village. So that side is Jharkhand actually.
okay. So how many houses in your village? Do you have any
Okay, so
idea?
yeah, it is around 35 houses.
35.
Yeah, only in our village. Okay, so and our village is very big. Okay,
Okay,
and our village is divided into more than five parts.
5 part. Okay.
Yeah,
No,
and I am talking
you
about
are
only
living
one part.
where you are living, where I am asking you exact place where you are living. So how many
Hmm.
houses in your village only?
Yeah, totally more than 200. Okay,
Okay, 200.
not 200. So it
Mhm.
would be about 500 houses. More
So
than 500.
who is Mukhia? Who is Mukhia? Who is Pradhan?
Yeah, there are two pradhan, one female
Okay,
and one male.
okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. So it is your caste?
Yeah, one is from our caste and different one is from other caste.
Okay. So uh, what can I say? Do they help you or not?
Yeah, they help us a lot.
Okay. So you
All the
told
time.
him you are okay. Okay. So they help you a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, it is good.
Mm.
Okay. So I have I have asked you a lots of questions. So do you have any questions?
So
Okay.
I have no question. So only entertainment talking. So enjoy the speaking. Simple.
Mhm. Okay. Definitely you will meet. Next time. Okay.
Yeah, next time definitely.
Okay. So thank you. Huh?
Okay, so bye. Thank you. It was amazing talking to you. So bye. See you
Yeah.
soon.
Thank you so much. And thank you for giving me your valuable time.
Okay.